shout out Sisi. Ayan, shout out everyone. Ayan. I think guys, it will be shortcut again, not normal. Because I cannot go through the... Uy, I wanna let you show these beautiful trees. Ayan. Ayan, tatain na si Doggy ko. Ayan, sandali. Tatain na si Doggy. Come on. Sit down. Sit. Ayan guys. Welcome Pipinay, tambay lang po ako. Sige, tambay ka lang. Pero pagdating ng dut-dutan, go na kayo pag-dut-dutan. Ayan guys, I let you see these beautiful trees. This is tree guys ha. Ayan, ang ganda ng trees guys. Ayan, did you see the trees? Kita mo yung trees. Yan, di ba ang ganda ng trees? Ganda, di ba? Amazing, right there. And then, nandun pa sa kabila. So, ayan. Muna tayo kasi. Nagtinginan ng mga tao. Anong ginagawa ko? Ayan guys, so. Ayan. Pretty trees. Trees. Okay. Oh, siya. Pretty. Naglalakad na siya. What? Are you kidding, Caps? Thank you, Caps. Shout out to Caps. Oh, you look at Caps. Oh, here the shit. What you're talking. I'm picking up. And this is my dog. And this is the thingy. There's a wall over there. And lots of people walking. Thank you, Caps. Thank you for joining me live walking. Well, watch out for these Caps. That man had a dog. His dog is not well behaved. So I need to watch out because yeah. Morning. Yeah, good morning. And did you see the reaction of the dog? Yeah. Is the poop still warm? Yeah, it is. I just pick up. So it's warm. It's really warm. Ayan, Suner, kumusta ka? I'm good. It is warm, Cups. Shout out. Oh, have you seen this one, Cups? Look. Cups, look at that tree. So many fruits. And that fruit is so good. I want to climb. I have so many fruits here. So look at that plum. There's so many. They don't pick up. They don't eat. So they have apples. They have apples too. And there's another there.